Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Jock Itch Soap is probably one of the most sought-after products for athletes and anyone prone to fungal infections in the groin area. Today, we will review the best Jock Itch Soap on the market, comparing various factors such as ingredients, effectiveness, and user experience to help you make an informed decision and find the perfect soap to combat that irritating itch and keep your groin area healthy and comfortable. Number 5. Truremedy Naturals Remedy Tea Tree Oil Body Wash. It helps soothe dry, itchy, cracked skin. The blend of tea tree, peppermint, and aloe is ideal for face, hands, feet, and full body cleansing. It provides a deep cleanse to help reduce persistent body odor. It's effective after workouts or daily activities and suitable for all skin types. It's infused with tea tree, peppermint, and eucalyptus oils. Jojoba, olive, and coconut oils work together to hydrate and refresh your skin. It offers a refreshing sensation and keeps your skin clean. It's strong enough for post-workout use yet gentle enough for daily showers. It makes a thoughtful gift for anyone needing relief from dry or irritated skin. It's crafted with plant extracts for a calming experience. What we like. If you have dry, itchy skin, this is the perfect choice. It's formulated with soothing ingredients that will leave your skin feeling refreshed and hydrated. If you are looking for a body wash that effectively combats body odor while moisturizing, this is it. What people say. The tea tree formula provides a gentle yet effective cleanse without stripping the skin of its natural moisture. It has a nice smell of mint without being an overpowering type of mint. It's very subtle in its smell afterwards, but it helps stop odors for sure, especially for bigger people who have more odor areas and issues like that. Feels great. Does not irritate. My skin has always been touchy with soaps. Smells good. Cleans well. Number 4. Defense Antifungal Soap. It effectively cleanses and treats common fungal infections like athlete's foot, jock itch, and ringworm. This soap is your go-to solution for a healthy, fungus-free you. This medicated bar soap contains tolnaftate, a proven effective ingredient against athlete's foot fungus. Experience the power of targeted treatment. The concentrated tolnaftate formula directly targets the infected area, preventing further infection. It's powerful yet gentle on your skin. For best results, use this medicated soap on affected areas, and use the original soap daily for overall skin health. Maintain a comprehensive hygiene routine. Don't let fungal infections sideline you. Stay clean, healthy, and confident with this soap's powerful antifungal action. What we like. It's a powerful antifungal soap that effectively targets and eliminates fungal infections. This is your go-to solution if you're struggling with jock itch, athlete's foot, or ringworm. If you want to prevent future infections, this soap is the best choice. What people say. I got a bar of this soap and within 3 days my back was back to normal. Any discoloration had completely gone away. Like, completely. My back was clear. All I did was replace the bar soap that I normally use with this bar and showered with it once a day for 3 days. I have been washing my feet with it a couple times a week and it has kept the itch away for many months. After a pair of weeks I saw improvement, after a month it was almost all gone. It's cleared up completely after 6 weeks. Number 3. Defense Antifungal Soap. It effectively cleans and treats common fungal infections like athlete's foot, jock itch, and ringworm. This soap helps keep you feeling fresh and confident. Don't let scaly, cracked feet sideline you. It helps maintain healthy skin, so you can stay active and in top form. The concentrated formula targets the infected area and prevents new infections. It's a powerful yet gentle solution for your skin. It's proven effective against athlete's foot fungus. Experience the clinically proven power of this soap. For best results, use it on affected areas and use our original soap daily for complete skin care. Maintain healthy skin with our complete system. This soap is your key to healthy, fungus-free skin. Get back in the game with confidence. What we like. This soap is a powerful antifungal treatment that effectively targets and eliminates fungal infections. If you're dealing with jock itch, athlete's foot, or ringworm, this is a great option. If you need a reliable way to prevent future infections, this is the one for you. What people say. I got a bar of this soap and within 3 days my back was back to normal. Any discoloration had completely gone away. Like, completely. My back was clear. All I did was replace the bar soap that I normally use with this bar and showered with it once a day for 3 days. I have been washing my feet with it a couple times a week and it has kept the itch away for many months. After a pair of weeks I saw improvement, after a month it was almost all gone. It's cleared up completely after 6 weeks. Number 2. Viking Revolution Tea Tree Wash. This powerful body wash is designed for men who want to tackle common skin issues. It's formulated with extra-strength tea tree oil to help you feel clean and confident. It works fast to help prevent athlete's foot, jock itch, and body odor. This means you can get back to what matters most. We use only all-natural ingredients and powerful tea tree oil. It's tough on skin problems, but gentle on your skin. This body wash aids in the treatment of athlete's foot, helping to keep your feet healthy and comfortable. Say goodbye to that pesky itch. It helps combat eczema while moisturizing your skin. Experience relief from dryness and irritation. We stand behind our product. If you're not completely satisfied, contact us, and we'll make it right. What we like. This extra-strength formula is designed to work quickly and effectively. If you need a fast-acting solution for athlete's foot or other skin irritations, this is it. If you prefer all-natural ingredients, this is a great choice. What people say. I've only been using this for a couple of weeks, and I can already tell it's clearing up my skin issues. The smell is very potent, which I love because it makes me feel like it's effective. It has a great lather. 5th bottle purchased, love this stuff. I only wish it came in jumbo-sized bottles and was cheaper ounce. Because it works so well, though, I overlook the price. I also ration it for just the hot spots, pits, under boobs, skin folds, inner thighs and feet, and use defense bar soap everywhere else. Neither of us has experienced any skin reactions, on the contrary, skin issues improvements. You do get used to the aroma of tea tree lime pine sol, and the scent doesn't linger on your skin after rinsing off. The soap is effective and doesn't leave a film. The scent is nice and crisp. No notes of anything floral. It's perfect for a guy who wants to smell clean and not like he bathed in cologne. Number 1. Terrasil Tinea Kit. This kit provides a powerful, yet gentle solution for various fungal infections. It combines a clinically proven cream and a soothing soap for complete care. It contains 1% clotrimazole and natural ingredients to effectively treat tinea infections. It soothes itching, burning, and redness, leaving your skin feeling comfortable. The all-natural soap gently cleanses and soothes your skin with ingredients like coconut oil and shea butter. Daily use helps maintain optimal relief. It features activated minerals, the result of over 20 years of research. These minerals, combined with other select ingredients, effectively treat, protect, and support skin healing. It's formulated with all-natural ingredients, free of harsh chemicals. Made in the USA to the highest quality standards, it's gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin. It's also FSA/HSA approved. What we like. This kit combines a powerful antifungal cream and a soothing soap for complete treatment. If you're looking for a clinically proven solution for tinea versicolor or ringworm, this is your best bet. If you prefer a natural approach with effective results, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Within 24 hours it was completely gone. The soap bar was gentle on my skin and had a nice lather. It left my skin feeling clean and refreshed after each use. It's great to have a product that's specifically formulated for tinea treatment while still being mild on the skin. After 4 days of using this twice daily, my tinea is almost completely gone. I am amazed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.